What's on your bench today?
What's on your bench today? Wah, 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 wah. So we have finished the Chuberry, the silver keys, with the silver body, with the gold wash bell. I am absolutely really pleased with how this came out, from having the timing for the bell keys to even getting the trill E flat going and functioning. It does work. It's a little airy, but you know, most people don't even use that anyways. It's not really that modern. But from everything down to the micro tuner is working just beautifully. And definitely came in handy because my mouthpiece, the way that it sits, was a little sharp, so I had to pull that sucker out. But going through this thing, it was such a joy. I had a great time. Everything is brand new on here, from the pads to the corks to modern touches like the Teflon. And just shining it and cleaning it up from where it was, it's just absolutely precious.